Why are there so many weird sounds in this apartment?
I feel not good. I just feel annoyed.
I moved to the bathroom. I didn't think I'd be wearing corduroy pants in August, but it's so freaking cold. Ooh. I haven't been taking my meds, so maybe that's why I'm feeling, you know what, it probably is why I'm feeling worse than usual. I'm having a lot of trouble regulating my emotions. I'm just seeing my best friend, and I know that they wouldn't care if I look like ass. I feel like maybe I should just put a bit more on, just for my brain. I think my brain's like broken or something. Regulating. Wait, I heard a sound. Wait. I'm home alone right now. Don't laugh at my outfit.
I mean, at least my bag matches my pants.
I ended up sweating a lot from like pure frustration. So I think the makeup ended up turning out really nicely because it's like really glowy. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye.